Presenting to you here Paripurna, a collection of pure Kanchipuram silks of timeless appeal. You can shop these sarees online in our website www.thesstudioonline.com, or you can WhatsApp us at 98404 76171 for any enquiries. With Diwali and weddings coming up, you should be looking for some special silk sarees, especially the Kanchipuram silks, right? So at the S Studio, we are unveiling a beautiful Kanchipuram silk saree this Diwali season, known as the Vairavusi saree. Let's take a close look at the beautiful Vairavusi Kanchipuram silk saree as we explain to you the intricate weaving, design and speciality of this beautiful saree. Here is the beautiful dual tone peacock blue Vairavusi Kanchi silk saree. Peacock blue is such a beautiful color. It's a mix of blue and green, and the shimmer of this color is so beautiful that everyone loves it in Kanchipuram silks. The body of the saree is a double shade, and between every few silk threads a zari thread is woven. Many of you might be familiar with what a Vairavusi saree is, but for those who are not, this is a traditional Kanchipuram silk saree which was quite popular in our mothers and grandma's generation, and this Vairavusi saree will definitely be one of the saree in their wedding sarees collection. The border for this saree is something to mention. It is also referred to as a LIC border in ancient times because of the tall, intricately woven lines of vertical zari. So that is how the border of this saree looks. In this saree, we have also added some minute zari kamalam buttas all over the saree, which adds to the beauty of this saree. Vairavusi means diamond needle, and these sarees are characterized by 2 or 3 silk threads between which a zari thread is woven. So the body of the saree is a mix of silk threads and zari threads along the warp, which makes this saree look so gorgeously dazzling with the shimmer of the zari. Here is another Vairavusi saree in a dark blue shade with a small 2-inch Getty zari border. The body of the saree is so beautifully rich with minute zari checks, and the pallu and the blouse are a beautiful contrast in a bright orange with rich zari weaving in traditional style. The pallu for this saree is simply gorgeous in a Banarasi style, rich in Getty zari and having a seepu reku motifs to add to its beauty. Now, isn't this saree something to drool over? So seepu reku means a comb-like structure. If you just closely observe the pallu, it has got a comb-like weaving on the pallu, and that's why it's called a seepu reku. And this is something a unique and one of a kind Vairavusi saree, and the colors we have beautifully decided to go with traditional ones like the blue and the orange. That is another Vairavusi saree for you from the S Studio. These are some of the new collections of Vairavusi sarees from the S Studio, and we have spent hours of designing and coordinating with our handloom weavers to bring out this beautiful saree to you, which consists of rich silk threads on the body interwoven along with the zari, and the zari rich pallu and the border, which makes these sarees one of a kind and a definite for any wedding or for festive occasion.